All right. Do you guys see my green table and my paper and my white paper? Yay! Awesome. Okay. If everybody has a pencil, I want you guys to hold your pencil up for me so I know that you have your pencil. You have your pencil?
What are we drawing?
Today we're drawing something that has water, sometimes seashells, sometimes
Beach.
sand. Yeah, a beach. You're right.
The beach.
Yes, it is the beach. So does everybody have their pencil and eraser? You ready to start? So can everybody go long ways? Put their paper this way for me. I'm going to use my marker. You guys are going to use your pencil and eraser, okay? So that way it's easy to erase any mistakes. But I'm using a marker today so that way it's easy to see my lines. So I want you guys to see, this is the middle of our paper, but we're going to go a little bit lower and we're going to draw a straight line on the bottom. Can you guys go ahead and draw me a straight line on the bottom? This is going to be for our sand. I'm going to put a beach umbrella so that way we can have a nice shady area. So I want you guys to draw a nice slanted line like this towards the top. If you can't do a slanted line, you can make a straight line too for your umbrella. And after you have this slanted line, we're going to do a half circle from one end to the other. So I want you guys to put your pencil over here at this end and go all the way to this end. So we're going to go very slowly and you're going to go all the way to this end. Okay, so now it's a half circle. So I want you to find the middle of your half circle. And I want you to put your pencil right here. You're going to go all the way down to the sand like this. When you're done with this long line, we're going to add short lines on the side. So 1 and 2. So it's in either side. And now we have our umbrella. What else do you need to put on the sand so that you don't get dirty when you sit down?
A carpet. Blanket or
yeah,
a blanket. Water.
Yeah, a towel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line right underneath our umbrella. You can make the umbrella a little bit longer if you want. You're going to make it long so it sits right underneath the umbrella, and I want you to do a line that goes all the way to the bottom of your paper. So that way you have a towel, shape of a towel. If you want to design your beach towel, you can. I'm just going to draw a line on one side and another line on the other side. So that has my towel. My favorite thing to do at the beach is to find seashells and collect them.
My favorite thing in the beach to do everything. My favorite to find seashells too.
Yeah, I find really nice seashells. 1, 2, 3. You can add little waves, and inside the waves you can add like a shark fin or a fish or a mermaid tail. 3 little waves. You can do it with little U's, the letter U, connected together. So while you guys are doing that, we're also going to add a little bit more in our background. So I'm going to put my pencil here on the side, and I'm going to go all the way over here. What do you think I'm making?
The side.
It's not a whale.
Some island.
An island, correct. So we're going to draw a little island over there. Have you guys been to Hawaii before?
I've never been to an island.
Me either. I think I might go.
I've never been to an island. I've never went to an island too.
I always wanted to go. It looks really fun. But we have a lot of beaches here, so that's really nice. Okay, so now that we have our island, we're going to put a tree. So what kind of trees usually go on an island?
Palm trees.
Palm trees. You're right.
Palm trees.
I'm going to show you a simple
Coconut
way
a
to
tree.
draw a
A palm tree with coconut.
Ooh, yes. So what I want you guys to do is we're going to draw an X. I'll show you. This is my way of drawing a palm tree. So you can draw an X. And I'm going to draw one more line over here. So it kind of looks like a star. Does everybody have that? Make sure there's space underneath because that's where we're going to put our tree trunk. So, does everybody have their X and a line in the middle?
I have it.
Great. So now we're going to add the palm tree leaves. So over here we're going to start from the middle and you're going to curve over here on each side. Okay? Put your pencil here.
I think those are the coconuts.
Yeah, you can add coconuts on your palm tree. Okay, and then you're going to connect each one, kind of like a pinwheel. Do you guys know what a pinwheel is?
Yeah, and now we need to make the trunk.
Yes, so when you're done, you can draw the trunk all the way down to the
pinwheel
island.
is like a thing that spins around. And then we need to draw the coconut.
Yeah, you can add coconuts. I'm going to add lines in my tree trunk, maybe 3 lines. 1, 2, and 3. What should go over here? It's hot. It's a hot day, so what should we put here?
Sun!
Oh, the sun! What shape should the sun be?
A circle!
A circle, you're right. So we're going to draw a circle right here. Now, you could put a face on it. Maybe you could put sunglasses.
I'll put a heart eye. A heart
eyes. I'm going to put sunglasses because he's cool. And then we're going to do sun rays. My sun rays, I'm going to do small little ovals. So on the top.
I'm going to do heart eyes too.
Yeah, and the bottom. And then left and right. All right, everybody. So we have our sun. Now we're going to add some things on the sand. So do you remember what my favorite thing to do on the sand is?
Sand toys.
Yeah, sand toys. What's my favorite thing to do at the beach? Do you guys remember what I said?
Shells.
Yes, I love
Find seashells. The best thing is to...
I'm going to draw a circle for my shell. And then we're going to add a point like this and one like this, kind of like little feet. When you're done, you're going to draw a line in the middle. And then 2 lines, slanted lines like this, almost like you're doing the letter V. Okay, so how do we know the ocean is friendly?
I don't know.
Because it waves. You get it? Okay, so I'm going to start to draw my sandcastle. So I'm going to draw a little wavy line over here so that way it looks like I'm building my sandcastle. After, I'm going to draw 2 lines like this, kind of like you're making a house. So a little rectangle here. Okay, and then I'm going to do a small
I'll do some sandcastle. Sometimes you can put some starfish in your sandcastle.
Yeah. So I'm going to do a little flag at the top. So I'm going to draw a straight line. Afterwards, I'm going to draw a door. And you're going to do little U's at the top for our castle. So 1, 2, 3, and then 1 and 2. These are great. Oh, I love it. You guys did so good. Oh, I love it. All right. So if you want to color it, you can color it if you like, or you can trace it. Next to Miss Christine, there's an example of what colors you can use.
Can we put some more things on it?
Yeah, you can definitely add whatever you want. You can color in your sun. I love all your pictures. If you have your coloring tools, you can start coloring. So when you guys are done coloring, please send it to us. I want to see everybody's pictures. Like always, go ahead and follow us on our social media at JUBI Art Official. We're going to be updating our website soon because we haven't been doing that in a while. But now we're going to get back to that. And I'm excited to do more art parties with you guys. You guys did such a good job. So we're ending our art party, but please continue to color. When you finish it, don't forget to share it with us. Yes. All right, so we'll see you guys again next time, okay?
Okay, bye.
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 Bye. Bye. I love you.